Hello friends and family from EPCOT. Today we're going to be taking a trip right behind us right here to the Creation Shop. I thought it'd be a fun idea to check out all of the Guardians of the Galaxy brand new Cosmic Rewind merchandise to kind of show you guys the amazing souvenirs that you can purchase after you ride this amazing attraction. But before we get started, if you would subscribe and click that bell notification so you're aware of future uploads and live streams, we would greatly appreciate it. Right now I'm actually just outside of Test Track right here. It's just such a beautiful day out today, guys. Just a couple clouds in the sky. The humidity is extremely low right now. Just so beautiful. But we're gonna head on over here to the Creation Shop. Like I said, let's check out a bunch of that Cosmic Rewind merchandise. I'm super excited to check that out. Also, in the description box of this video, I'll drop a link to my last visit here to the Creation Shop, where I kind of did a whole store tour. I couldn't fit everything in one video, but I tried to get all of the things that I haven't filmed before, but I'll link that in the description box of this video as well. So as soon as you come in here, you're greeted by some amazing Groots. Look at this. It's like a you know, like a faux plant right there growing out of the top of Groot's head. But this one here is $24.99. Then they have some adorable Groot plushies right here, again for $24.99. And check this guy out right here. It says, "I am Groot." He actually sings and dances, I believe. Look how adorable these guys are, though. They have these little girls' "I am Groot" shirts right here. These are $24.99 as well. And check out under here. They have some really nice magnets. Like, I've never seen these magnet sets before. These are $19.99. The Wonders of Xandar. And this one here obviously is just featuring a bunch of Groots. Right underneath there though, check out this wallet they have. It says "I am Groot" on one side. Then the other side you got Baby Groot and all different Groots right there for $39.99. Again, part of the Wonders of Xandar. You can get 4 bendable Groot action figures. So like, it's kind of like the beginning stage of Groot right there, all the way up to Big Groot. For $49.99, you can also get your very own Star-Lord mask. And this is very, very like attention to detail oriented. They have this strap for like the back of your head right there. It's cushioned for your eyes. That is really, really nifty. They have this Guardians of the Galaxy hat featuring a bunch of the main characters on the front. On the back it says "Heroes of Xandar." That one there is $29.99. Check out this vest that they have here for little kids. This one here is $59.99. Of course, the Guardians of the Galaxy water bottle. Very simple though, this is all you get kind of right here. It just has Guardians, $27.99. They also have Glamora's sword right here for the Wonders of Xandar collection. That there is $29.99. It's definitely kind of like foam though, so you're not going to do any damage with that one. You have Guardians Saving the Galaxy again with all the main characters right there. But check out this. This kind of reminds me of like an old school like concert t-shirt almost. You have Guardians of the Galaxy, Drax, Gamora, Star-Lord, Rocket, and Groot saving the galaxy again. You're welcome. For $34.99. Then for $75, they also have this Marvel Loungefly. Again, it's Marvel, so it's featuring a bunch of different characters. But just the colors and everything on this in general are very, very nice. Let's check out some of the items over here, though. Look at this. Nova Corps. That's very interesting, this cup. Like, you can't fit too much liquid in it, but that is very, very interesting for $22.99. Then right over here, they have this sweatshirt. Again with the Nova Corps. They have these Rocket plushies for $29.99. These are the ones with big feet, extremely soft. Definitely very, very nice to cuddle with. I like this one here. It looks like they have a raccoon tail. Look at that. You can actually get your very own raccoon tail for $24.99. Check out this Guardians of the Galaxy neon sign that they have behind this case. It says, please see cast member for assistance. If you guys are interested in one of those are actually $150. They have some Guardians of the Galaxy coffee mugs for $19.99. Then they have these really cool ceramic photo frames right here, again featuring Guardians of the Galaxy. This is a 5x7 frame. These here are $24.99. Then right next door over here, look at this. This is like an old school water bottle like you would take to the gym. I love the colors of this, Guardians of the Galaxy. Very retro for $14.99. Again, kind of with that retro theme here. Once again, they have a Guardians of the Galaxy, like old school trucker hat. I love how they have like the rope on the front right there. Pretty cool, actually. These ones here are $29.99. Then for $49.99, they have the Guardians of the Galaxy sweatshirt. It has like a really long neck. If you're interested in this one, just be aware of that. But the whole design on here is very nifty. Then kind of matching that water bottle that we just saw, they have this Guardians of the Galaxy t-shirt. And check out the down the sleeves right here. I do want to show all the different colors. I like it a lot though, for $36.99. For $49.99, they have this honorary Guardians Galaxy backpack right here. This is definitely much smaller than like a Loungefly, so be aware of that. But the material itself feels like actually a really good quality, believe it or not. And again, part of the honorary Guardians, they have this little kid shirt right here for $29.99. Also part of the honorary Guardians, they have this men's shirt, and it has the symbol right here with the honorary Guardians. Then this really cool design down the whole side right here. I like this one a lot though, very nice. These pins right here are part of the Nova Corps. These are like a mystery box, if you will. These are $17.99, but there's some of the different pins you can get on there. Then they also have for $15.99 some Guardians of the Galaxy lanyards. And again, I love this whole design right here, honestly, like the retro theming. One side is blue, the other side is white. But they have like so much over here. Nova Corps keychains. This is definitely like a heavier metal type. These ones here are only $9.99, believe it or not. Then they have a bunch of different patches. Again, this one with Nova Corps, this one's a little rubbery. Then they have like some old school patches like you would put on your t-shirt or jacket. Guardians of the Galaxy. Then down here you got one that says, I am Groot. I'm definitely digging these iPhone cases though. Look at this, it's actually like an old school cassette. It has Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind mix on there. I love this actually. I would definitely get one of these for my phone. These are $34.99. Of course, with Guardians of the Galaxy being Marvel, they have these Infinity Gauntlet with stones right here. This whole sleeve is actually $99.99. The stones must be inside of this. This is really cool though. Then right over here, check this out. I believe this one here is $119.99, but they have Loki's scepter. That is really neat. A lot of heft to this too, actually. For $34.99, they also have this starter set here for a Guardians of the Galaxy pin set where you get the lanyard and these 4 pins. Again, this is Wonders of Xandar. Oh, look at that, guys. They have an honorary Guardians like pin, commemorative pin. It says right here this is a silver one, so they are $9.99. They have one here that says I am Groot. Definitely a classic. I have to get that one. And then Nova Corps down here on the bottom. They also have this sign right here featuring all of the Infinity Stones. This is actually really cool because all the stones are actual pins. This is $39.99. Like, this is just like a cardboard material, but it does have a backing right there where you can actually kind of make it into a frame and like set it on here. I feel like that's a pretty good price though for $39.99. They have this kid's t-shirt right here of Loki for $39.99. Then also this amazing, I'm loving all of the cups that they have over here in the Marvel section. They have this Loki, I'll call this a coffee mug if you will. This one here though is $29.99. Check out this little kid shirt right here with Groot and Rocket. It says 700 jumps. This one here, $29.99. Then again, like the theming with these cups, like I love this. It kind of looks like the middle of the cup is kind of slit out right there. That is pretty nifty though. This one is $14.99. For $14.99, part of again the Wonders of Xandar series here. They have jump point magnets where you get a set of two. You get the front of Rocket and then the back side of Rocket. Then they have one right here where you got the front side of Groot and then his legs sticking out right there. Look at this right here though. You actually have the die-cast Guardians ship. That's really neat. It looks like it comes with a base underneath it. These ones here are $14.99. It looks like Groot here is pretty shocked with some of these deals. Check out this squishable Groot right here. The eyes are definitely pretty crazy. I think one of the last items we can show here that they have is this Yondu light up fin and arrow set. So there's his arrow right there, and there's Yondu's fin. This one here is $29.99. Okay, I just love checking out this creation shop. This is probably one of my favorite Disney stores to come shop at, honestly. Like the selection, the variety, like the shelves are always completely stocked in here. Like, I absolutely love it. If you like to further support the channel, consider checking out in the description box of this video the link to our Patreon page. And if you like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, and as always, make today awesome.